Welcome to G. Rathbun's YouTube channel. Hey, I want you guys just to pretend like you're one of my friends, if you're not already. I want you to sit down here with me with a cup of coffee, take maybe 10 minutes out of your morning, and check out this video coming up. Because I'm going to do some reviews on different things, and I think you're going to like this next little item. And I'll tell you the truth about it. I will check it out, and if I don't like it, I'll always add something to the comments in the videos. So, hope you enjoy this next video and learn a little bit, my friend. Today is going to be a review on unboxing these parts right here. So, take a look at this. It don't measure that far off, enough that we're going to fix it. But it definitely looks like it sits down a lot farther in the front. So that's what we're going to do. Here's a couple pictures of what it really measures out. I could have even gone a little bit further than I did go, but I think the 1 inch is going to be okay. But from what I've heard, when you put those in there, they don't really just go up 1 inch. But we'll find out. I think that's going to be close enough. And you'll know as soon as I know. Well, here we are. I'm gonna open this with this. I think I know what's in this one. And you do too, because you've already seen the primo of it. This is supposed to be the leveling kit. I did not get this off of my usual spot. Amazon. Did not come from Amazon. If it's what I think it is. I'm pretty sure it is. This came off of, come from StreetRays Incorporated, and it came off of eBay because I could not find, I wanted to go with this type. Here it is right here. Oh boy, they got her, they didn't want it. They wanted her sealed up, didn't they? Okay. I got this one for one of the reasons it's made in America. There they are. Well, that's all it is right there. 2 pieces of aluminum. About 20 bucks a piece is what they charged me. And that's probably, what, $5 worth of material. But yeah, I don't have a lathe, do you guys? So you pay what you can. But I wanted aluminum. I just think it'll last longer. And I also wanted something made in America, and that's what these are. They machined them off pretty nice. What else is there to say other than this should lift up the Jeep over there? Should lift it up the 1 inch. And the reason why I'm going with 1 inch, when I put a winch on the front, that'll take care of that extra 1/4 inch for sure. And I'd rather have it lifted up a little in the front anyway than down too low. So we're going to put these in there. The next video will show you that. Once again, I got these from StreetRays Incorporated. Easy to work with. You send them money, they send you the part. What else can you say? Ain't much to it. Just flat spacer goes up in there. So stay tuned for the install video on this one. Gotta thank Charlie Blood. Yep, that's my friend. He has a Jeep also, but that's where these come from, is from his pocketbook, and I appreciate it very much. So, it's good to have good friends. Now he'll probably want me to do it to his rig. But anyway, that's all I got to say about this. I want you to follow the instructions on this very next clip. Thanks, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Maybe even drop me a comment. I do read all the comments you put on here. It will help my channel greatly.
I still can't believe that changing a picture on a box of pancake mix didn't result in world peace.